Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Mitsubishi AC F1 error code. So first one is turn off the AC unit completely from the breaker and wait 5 minutes, then restore the power to reset communication. Another thing is check wiring connections. So inspect the communication cable between indoor and outdoor units and tighten any loose connections and check for corrosion or damage. So guys, check for any interference and ensure there are no nearby electrical devices that are disrupting the communication signals, and also avoid running communication wires alongside power lines. Now, if the F1 error persists, the main PCB or COM board may be faulty, so just simply contact a certified Mitsubishi technician for further diagnostics. There you go, see ya.